Hey everyone, this video is Via Ferrata Essentials, and I'm going to be showing you what essential pieces of kit you're going to need when you go and do some Via Ferrata. I'll put as many links as possible to the pieces of kit that you see in the video. There's a broad range of brands out there, so you don't necessarily need these brands when you're buying the kit. These are just my affiliate links. It comes at no extra cost to you. Okay, so the first piece of kit we have is the harness, very important piece of kit. Attaches to your lanyard carabiner, that then attaches to the wire that keeps you safe from falling. As you can see in this video, very important piece of kit. The next is the actual lanyard carabiner, which loops around your harness and attaches to the cable. As you can see in this video, you can see me unclipping and clipping back in. You do it one at a time, so you're always attached to the cable. Very important. I like this particular lanyard because the carabiners have like a quick release. You put some pressure on the back of it and it opens easier on the front, and then when you take pressure off the back of the carabiner, it locks in place. Next piece of kit is a helmet. Very essential piece of kit again, because you don't want to get smashed on the head with a rock. It's much easier than you think as well, just to bash your head on the side when you're climbing up. There's some narrow parts of the routes, so yeah, a helmet is a must-have. Gloves, don't forget to take gloves. On the first route I ever done, I didn't take my gloves, and within an hour my hands were pretty torn up, so make sure you take a pair of gloves with you. Next one is footwear. You want something that's got like a hard sole, not sports trainers. I wouldn't advise sports trainers. You can do it in sports trainers, but it's going to be pretty uncomfortable. The edges of the rocks on the bottom of your feet, and the staples aren't even that comfortable to climb in sports trainers, so something that's got a hard sole. And last but not least is the quick draw. It's not an essential item unless you're a bit lazy like me. It's there for you to sit back in your harness, so you can clip it to the ladder or a staple and you just sit back in your harness. Basically, you can't do that with your lanyard because it's not designed for that. It's designed for if you fall, so there's like loads of give in it. So if you want to chill out and relax for a little bit, take a quick draw. So that's that. Any questions, get in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.